Okay.
Okay. Kuya Victor Balikbayan Box, thank you very much, Cleveland. My new customer, William, Pete,
Emma Gaviola.
Maupin,
Yeah.
in Cleveland, Ohio. He sent TV, one double jumbo, one regular, double regular, and 6 regular boxes here in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm almost full load. You can see Kuya Victor, Balikbayan Box, powered by Alin Cargo Express. PM on Facebook, also text message 817-403-6854. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala at kay Kuya Victor kayo nagpadala. Hindi kami nandadadaya. Malaki ang aming box. Mabilis dumating sa Philippines sa mga mahal niyo sa buhay. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much, William Maupin and her partner
Emma Gaviola.
in the Philippines. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.